Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Today I'd like to talk about the fees associated with day trading. This comes in response to a viewer asking, what are the fees, if there's any hidden fees with regards to day trading? So I thought I'd just kind of take a few different stocks here as examples and kind of go through to illustrate the fees associated with day trading on Robinhood. So first and foremost, on Robinhood, there are no commission fees. So unlike some of the other large brokerage accounts, maybe E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Schwab, so on and so forth, they charge every time you buy or sell a stock. Doesn't matter if it's one stock or a million stocks, they charge you a fee, typically anywhere from $5 to $10, depending on the brokerage firm that you're trading with. Robinhood, on the other hand, has zero commission. So you can buy essentially one share, for example, of AMRS at 28 cents. You'll have no fee associated with that. Or you can buy a million shares of AMRS. You'll have no fees associated with the transaction. There are a couple of fees, but again, it's not from the day trades itself with the brokerage accounts, but more of the self-governing organizations that are charging fees. The first one is FINRA. And I'll just point out as well, these fees are very, very low. These are essentially non-consequential. You'll never notice these fees. The FINRA trading activity fee is 0.000119 per share on sells only. So you can see that's a very, very small amount of money. You'd essentially have to be trading millions of shares before you would even register that as a debit to your account. And the SEC also charges a little bit more money, $21.80, but that's per $1 million worth of principal on sells again. So unless you're trading millions of dollars worth of stocks, you will essentially have zero fees associated with your activity. Yes, if you trade a lot, you're going to have a lot more exposure to fees with these two fees, the FINRA trading activity fee and SEC. But again, you'll have to trade in millions of dollars and you incur a fee of a couple $100. So I consider that to be essentially zero fees. And just as an example, again, you can buy one share of AMRS here, zero fees on Robinhood. You can buy one share of FRT here, priced at $1.46, zero fees. $4.88 stock here, SIRI, Cirrus, zero fees. You can even buy something like this, Berkshire Hathaway, $244,000 stock, the same fee as if you were buying SIRI, FRT, or AMRS. So there's really no fees associated with day trading on Robinhood. Again, if you're trading a lot of shares and a lot of money, there will be some fees incurred, but given the number of shares and the amount of money, it's essentially zero. So I hope that clears things up for new traders on Robinhood here. Essentially no fees. You can buy and sell as you please. You can buy one share of a penny stock. There are some stocks that are also priced at like 3 or 4 cents. You could buy those. There's no fee associated with those purchases or sales, unlike the other brokerage accounts. And the other key thing to take away as well is that the other brokerage accounts charge for buying or purchasing a share as well as selling off the share. So all those fees I mentioned earlier can be doubled. On Robinhood, again, there's no fee for buying, no fee for selling other than the FINRA and SEC fees, which are very, very low and essentially zero when you consider the amount of money, the number of shares that you would need to have traded to have any impactful fee at all. And again, if you were trading that many shares and that much principal, the fees would essentially be not even noticed. So zero fees with regards to day trading on Robinhood. That's why I've been doing a lot of my day trading and swing trading on Robinhood as opposed to my other accounts on E-Trade as well as TD Ameritrade. I love Robinhood for that fact. Let me know what you guys think about Robinhood so far. Again, there are some disadvantages with day trading on Robinhood, but if you have your other stock tickers pulled up, a lot of those disadvantages are essentially gone. And once you put in an order, if you put a limit order in, the trades are executed fairly quickly, almost as quickly as my other accounts. So not a lot of negatives. And again, zero fees with regards to day trading on Robinhood. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.